What's up, YouTube, Facebook? Clean up, Green Rhino Academy. So this is a repeat customer, uses me once a year, vacation rental. Got a couple properties. And you know, it's not, since like when we show up, you'll see random stains, spots and spills and stuff here and there, you know. But typically not bad, you know. It's a lot of floor, but you know, we went through it pretty quickly. Did notice this time though when we walked in, see there's probably just a water spill there. Go through there with the peroxide, hit that, organic. So yeah, so the customer, oh, where was I? Yeah, I walked in and I smelled pet dander. And, you know, kind of strong, right? So I did recommend, I went ahead and notified the customer. I said, you know, I recommend doing a deodorizer in here because it smells like, I couldn't detect any pet stains. It's kind of hard to detect in here because it's so bright, but I couldn't detect any pet stains, but the odor, right? So I just, you know, went ahead and texted the customer, let her know what we're smelling, and if she wants to add a deodorizer, and let her know the price. Organic stains right here. So she said, yeah, no problem. Go ahead and do that. She doesn't allow pets in this vacation rental, so she's not sure why it smells like that, but it'd be a good idea to do. But as she just showed you right now, there's picking up, CRB's picking up pet hair even after we vacuumed. So, you know, she may not allow pets in here, but it doesn't mean it don't happen. So she's, yeah, definitely all right with going ahead and adding that, and you know, I'm just covering her tracks too, because if I can smell it, what do you think that the people that are renting out the places doing? They're smelling it too. So I went ahead and boosted my pre-spray with the deodorizer, and she's going in and just agitating everything in, you know. That's what we do whenever we do pet treatments or deodorizers. See how that stain just kind of disappeared? My organic. So this is basically a peroxide right here. It's a 6%. I got it mixed to that, diluted to that. This bottle is a bottle that came with my bag, but I just keep refilling it with my own mixture. A lot cheaper that way. These things can cost about 40 bucks by the time you get to your door. Yeah, it'll be maybe 30, 35, I don't know, depending where you're at. But for about $1, I make my own. So refill it. So yeah, she's going ahead and just doing that, mixing it all in. She's already scrubbed back here. Yeah, you can see, you know, yeah, they say that there's no pets, but it definitely is. And so this is a multi-wash. You know, it's similar to a CRV. You know, and I'm not talking down on CRVs at all. Because maybe I'll get a CRV one time, you know. But the reason why I got this when I started my business is because you can clean with it also. You know, clean hardwood floors, got the solution cake in there, and everything. Plus it does, you know, CRV action, scrubbing the carpet with the counter-rotated brushes. So I got 2 machines in one with this on, right? I'm probably gonna see go upgrade and get another one of these. I probably won't end up getting a CRV, you know, because I don't really see what the purpose is, and they say it works better and all that stuff, but I don't know about that. I don't have anything to compare it to, but anyway, this thing's been great for me. This thing's about 4 years old now. Awesome. So I'm wasting a bunch of time here. You know, usually I'll be already running the hoses back here because she's already scrubbed, and turn on the machine, right? That's how you get those quick clean times. people wonder why, like the other day I did a video, it was 400 something bucks. I forget what it was. It took me an hour and a half by myself. You know, I didn't skip steps at all. Pre-scrubbed and everything. Took me an hour and a half. And people are like, dang, I don't know how you do that. Well, and the person that commented down there, so what's up? Thanks for watching my video. By the way, I don't know who it is, but they got a portable and it takes them, you know, twice that. And I understand, you know, because you got to refill. So that's why we buy these, you know, these truck mounts and stuff. It speeds up the time. You can get portables that can do the same thing. You can actually leave. All right, guys. Sorry, I don't know if you even noticed, but I had to stop the video because I had to answer a call, business calls. But anyway, I'm gonna get started. Stay tuned. So as I was saying, you know, you can get portables that you can actually leave in the van, but you got to make sure you got the right specs. All right, make sure that they have what you need to be able to do that, because some of these portables you can get with pump in, pump out. That means it'll feed water just like to this, and it'll empty the water. But in those, you just take a hose and put them out in the dirt or something like that. And then you have the CFM, like the vacuum boost, to where you can actually keep it out, right? And you can run 150 feet of hose, no problem, and still have good vacuum and get your dry times going. So with those entry-level portables, you can't do that. You got to bring them in and to get even close to those dry times. And a lot of times those portables just they don't cut it. But anyway, heads up, you know, everybody's got to start somewhere. So if you're starting out with a portable, don't want to discourage you. I started out with one too. But once you learn to get that phone to ring, that's the key, right? Once you get the phone to ring, you know you can make payments on some better equipment. All right, and that's how everybody gets started, and that's how you got to get started if you're just getting into this business. But you got to know how to build a business right. That's why I offer a course for that. You know that up here in the corner, you see that? Starting a carpet cleaning business 101, and link below all my videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my wand and start extracting. All right, guys. So it seems like whenever I do this house, I do a lot of talking on this house for some reason. I don't know why. But anyway, yeah, easy clean, right? Couldn't get any easier. Carpet looks next to new. You know, you got a little bit of wear pattern in there in the walk areas, but that's just normal. Smells great now. Yeah, so yeah, she's real appreciative that we let her know. And I did send her some pictures of the hair we were picking up too, just to let her know I'm not trying to cheat her, right? Charge her for something she don't need. No, I didn't do that. As a matter of fact, I gave her a good break on the deodorizer. I only charged her $40 extra. Usually it's $120 for a whole house, but since she uses me all the time, guys, and the product is not expensive, the products I use, you know, it probably cost me $4 to do that pet treatment. So think about that. You can give breaks and stuff to your loyal customers, you know, you're still making great money. All right, so anyway, that's it for this one. Out of here. See you in the next one.